We've got a left-hand external corner set up here. I just really wanted to point out that you need a gap between the top profile and the panel. That's in order to let this flashing in. So I just wanted to point that out to you. I've just installed this batten here. That's a spare one in order to take the top of this top flashing. It just gives it some support. In order to get this flashing to sit nicely under there, there's a top lip here. I'm just going to squash that flat to the width of the flashing. We need a little piece of butyl tape here, just to attach the two together. I'm not going to take the paper off that because it will stick. Between the panel and the top mounting profile, you want a 10mm gap. That allows the flashing to go up the side. So here's a completed left-hand external corner. The only thing that's really different is the flashing for the external corner. Everything else is just the same.